would love to share with you something very special and dear to me, and this is something that I actually use on a very regular basis. This is one way you can season up your life and your taste buds. Very simple and yet healthy, okay? So, have you heard of Spice Infused Olive Oil? Or Spice Infused Avocado Oil? Spice Infused Sesame Oil? Alright, so they are all out there, various brands in any grocery store that you go to. But ladies, you can actually save yourself that money, put a change right back in your purse, because you can make it fresh straight from your kitchen. So come with me. I'm going to show you just exactly how to make it happen. Alright, so today we are going to be creating Spice Infused Olive Oil. There is no rules to it. That is what makes it so enticing. It depends on what you actually love to have. This you can use on an array of dishes. You can use it for your stir fries, use it for your scrambled egg, use it on your vegetable, on your salad. The usability of it is just numerous, okay? So our very base, of course, is olive oil, okay? So this you can purchase from anywhere. So I happen to have this from Costco. So this is extra virgin olive oil. If extra virgin is too sharp for you, you can go with the regular olive oil, all right? So, and then I have a clear bottle. This is a bottle that I actually purchased of health infused olive oil, and the brand is Aleco Gourmet. Get out of here, girl, because we're gonna be making our own gourmet Spice Infused Olive Oil right here at Mama Niger's kitchen, and you can hook it up for yourself once we've done with it. Okay, so the ingredients we're going to be using, these are just ingredients of choice that I selected based on how I like to have my food taste on a regular basis. I am never tired of it. So I do have here, it's about a teaspoon of parsley. This is fresh minced parsley. And then I have 2 sticks here. So these are the sticks of rosemary. All I did was just get the leaves of the stem. That's all. Okay, and you want that in chunks, or you can break it apart a little bit. Again, there is no rule to it. As long as it fits into your bottle of oil, that is all that matters. And then I have here ginger, that is clean ginger, and I just cut it up into elongated fraction. And then I have my chili pepper. Okay, this chili pepper, again, this is optional. If you don't like heat, you can stay away from it, all right? So, garlic, of course. Definitely you want to hook it up with your garlic. And then I do have a teaspoon here of minced, actually this is a fresh milled black pepper, okay? Or peppercorn, and then of course cracked pepper. My cracked pepper here is 1 teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon, and my garlic, I do have 1 tablespoon of garlic. So the first thing we want to do is to pour in some of the olive oil. You need a bottle and a funnel. So have that ready. So I'm going to pour my olive oil up to half of the bottle. Ladies, once you've done this, you will never stop doing it. Okay, once I find out the trick, girl, I have this in my house, in my kitchen cabinet at all times, because it's just easy. All you have to do is coat your pan with it, and all that help is infused into whatever food you are cooking with it. So we have our bottle half full. So at this point, we're going to add on our fresh spices. So I'm gonna put in the ginger first. And again, it depends on the amount, how wide the amount of your bottle is. You want to cut your ginger as thin enough so that it can easily go into that bottle. Okay, I'll have to slim that down. So my chili pepper is looking beautiful already. As a matter of fact, you can actually do this and use it as a decoration piece in your kitchen. Seriously. Okay, so now I'm going to use this to help mix it all up in there. How is that coming along? I just like the color combination. Okay, so now we're going to put in the rosemary. You might have to push this down a little bit. I'm taking a bunch at a time and just stuffing it in there. See, all of these spices, they are finding a new home for the next 1 month. So I usually make a bottle like this and it lasts me for up to 2-3 months. The last time I made one was perhaps in October and it just finished. So I wanted to create another one. I said, why don't I share this recipe with my new family at Mama Niger's Kitchen? So here you have it. It's right here. And if you try this, please do not forget to leave me a comment. And if you have not already subscribed to Mama Niger's Kitchen, please do so. We'd love to hear from you. So hit that subscription button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when we release other real good videos, you will be the first to be notified. You don't want to miss anything coming straight out of Mama Niger's Kitchen. So I have my parsley in. So again, I'm just going to mix that in. So now I'm doing the parsley. I'm going to drop that in. And the longer this stays in your house, the more delicious it becomes. And olive oil, helps with the preservation. So you really don't need any preservative. The olive oil in itself helps to preserve all the fresh ingredients that you have in there. So do not worry about, having it go bad at all. So we have our parsley in. So next I'm gonna be doing the garlic. And if you have tried this before, please don't forget to hit me on either on Instagram or at Mama Niger's YouTube channel page and let me know how it turned out and what are your favorite spices that you have come to enjoy. If you have tried this before, or better yet, you have been inspired to try this in your home, in your own very kitchen, to create this gourmet spice infused olive oil, please do not forget to hit me on Instagram or share your pictures and your favorite recipes, that you have put together, that we can also enjoy with you. All right, so my garlic is in. Next is going to be the fresh peppercorn that is going right in there. And my cracked pepper. So I'm using a teaspoon to help deliver all of this goodness into that butter. All right. So all my ingredients has found a new home. Look at that. So this is gonna be their new home for the next 2 or 3 months. I'm just gonna wash my hands and give it a very good shake. So mix up all that good ingredients, all that spices together in the butter. Remember, I didn't fill up the oil initially, right? So I only did half full because we're going to be putting all of these fresh, nice spices into it. And now our bottle is almost 3/4 full because it is filled up with fresh spices and goodness. So now what do we need to do? Just give it a shake. Give it a vibrant shake. Agitate it because you want it to be fully mixed in. Okay, you can see the pepper, everything. You want everything to go all the way down to the bottom. From the bottom to the top, everything should be mixed in. You don't want it separated. You can enjoy your very own gourmet spice infused olive oil. Enjoy. Bye. Okay, Wiffle. Obulu.